Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Nexus. While Nexus can refer to various things on Roblox, we're focusing on the acclaimed dimensional first-person shooter puzzle game. To begin, simply open Roblox, search for Nexus Connect Winner, and launch the experience. This unique game challenges you to complete tasks by manipulating dimensions and strategically ricocheting bullets, offering a truly immersive adventure. 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 10, 19, 21. Mastering the unique combat in Nexus is key. You'll wield a special gun capable of firing both precise markers and powerful full rounds. A crucial mechanic involves your bullets ricocheting off specific wooden panels, causing them to instantly swap into another dimension. Remember to use the Q key to manually switch between dimensions, which is essential for navigating the environment and outsmarting your adversaries in this challenging puzzle shooter. 2, 6, 8, 9, 10, 19, 21. Progression in Nexus revolves around intricate puzzle solving. Your primary missions include disabling security units discreetly and locating a specific individual within the facility. You'll frequently use dimensional resynchronization, allowing you to enter parallel versions of yourself to bypass seemingly impossible obstacles. Strategically ricocheting your single bullet across multiple dimensions is the only way to eliminate distant enemies and advance through the game's complex, multi-layered environments. 3, 8, 9, 10, 19, 21. For optimal gameplay, remember to hold down your fire button to unleash a full, powerful round or tap it for a quick marker shot. Keep an eye out for environmental clues, as areas marked with pink paint are often your allies, indicating useful ricochet points. If you ever find yourself stuck, the Roblox community offers many walkthroughs and guides. Connecting with other players can also provide valuable insights and help you master this exceptional experience. 2, 6, 8, 15, 16, 19, 20.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.